Function is underscore prime, error. This is a question from codecademy.com, where I am learning Python. So what I want is to define a function that checks if a number is prime. If it is, return true. If it isn't, return false. Here is my code. I made this condition because in Codecademy it says, hint. Remember, all numbers less than 2 are not prime numbers. 2. When I run, for example, print is underscore prime 11, or is underscore prime 6, it works okay. So I submit the answer, but Codecademy doesn't accept it. It says, your function fails on is underscore prime -2. It returns true when it should return false.
Let's see what happens when you enter -2. Range 2-2 is empty, so the for loop never runs. Therefore, LST is still after the loop. Therefore, false in LST is false. Therefore, return true is executed.
When x is -2, range 2, x will produce an empty list. So, the loop and the if conditions inside the loop will not be executed. The last if condition will be checked and no false is in the LST. So, it returns true. You can write the same program like this.
He wants to go.